everybody. So, do you want to lose unwanted pounds? So, I don't believe in diets, restrictive diets, and I know you probably don't, because you may be tired of counting carbs and calories and sugars and all that stuff, and over the years you lose a little bit of weight, but then it creeps back on. I'm not interested in any of that, and I don't want you to be either. But here's the amazing thing. On a whole food, plant-based, healthy diet, you will lose unwanted pounds. You absolutely will. And more importantly, you will be able to manage your ideal and maintain your absolute ideal weight. And this, I have absolutely no doubt. I've seen it with hundreds and hundreds of people. And so very, very excited about this, and I hope you are too. Now, the main two drivers of weight loss in a whole food plant-based diet are fiber and water. So fiber makes you feel very full, which is amazing. It's very satiating. And when you eat a lot of fiber, it just nudges, it signals those stretch receptors in your stomach, which signal your brain that you're really full. And that's why this kind of a diet, or this way of eating, is so successful when it comes to weight loss, because you are never going to feel hungry. Also water, and when we talk about weight loss, we often forget that proper hydration is super, super important. Very oftentimes you feel hungry, but actually you're dehydrated. Plus, when you start adding a lot more fiber to your diet, which you're going to do during this challenge, then you are going to have to add a lot more water. So ideally, you want to drink between 48 and 64 ounces of filtered water daily. This is not a restrictive diet, my friends. I cannot underscore that. You are going to be able to enjoy so many foods. And again, we're not calorie counting, we're not doing portion control, you're not weighing your food, you are not getting on a pair of scales, because I want you to be able to really let go of all that control that you might have been exercising for years and enjoy the freedom that a plant-powered diet offers you. Now for me, honestly, for the last 4 years, almost 5 years now, I've been able to maintain my ideal weight despite the fact that I've been through a lot of huge hormonal changes. I've been through menopause, and it's a time of my life where a lot of women actually do start gaining a little bit of weight. And I'm absolutely convinced this is down to my diet. I will also say that we are going to exercise every single day as well. This isn't an exercise challenge, but if you can get in 1 hour of exercise every single day, come on my friends, in for a penny. Let's just do it. I want you to see these results. And the results that you're actually going to see is you're going to have an average weight loss of 1 to 3 pounds a week. That is called safe weight loss. Any more than that and it just comes flooding back on in the form of water or whatever else. So that's safe weight loss. So if you do the math, you could really, shift some unwanted pounds during this challenge. Now, 2 things I want to quickly mention is, if for some reason you really want to shift some pounds and maybe quite a few pounds during this challenge, then I'm going to recommend that you do go low fat and as oil free as possible. And this is really important, because basically a fat is a fat, and fat is the most calorically dense food on the planet. And we really can't put it any other way. Obviously, there are really healthy fats and there are really unhealthy fats, but I'm going to help you to go as low fat as possible. So that is very, very important for those of you who have extra pounds that you want to lose, and also for those of you who have cardiovascular disease, if you're high risk for cardiovascular disease, and if you have type 2 diabetes, then I would definitely look on going low fat and oil free, and I'll help you to do that along the way. And then finally, my friends, if you have allergies, I am going to try and give you some allergy allergy friendly alternatives to many of the recipes during this challenge. Do not worry, just because you have allergies to soy or nuts or legumes, it doesn't mean that you can't enjoy a fully plant-powered diet. So excited. I'll see you tomorrow, my friends.